Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video, we're going to be going over a lot of value because I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build 100,000 a month OnlyFans. And the first step is creating the OnlyFans account and getting the foundations in place. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video in depth. So if you're an OnlyFans agency owner, you get paid by creating these OnlyFans accounts for models and then of course promoting and managing them and making the money for them. But you need to know how to build these accounts first and foremost. So that's exactly what we're going to go over. So we're going to be starting an OnlyFans account, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Now, we have creators on the platform who are making absolutely crazy, ludicrous amounts of money every single day. And, they're making more than what some people make in a year working in a single day. So that puts it into perspective in terms of how valued these OnlyFans accounts can be in terms of assets for your agency. So the first thing you need to do when creating an OnlyFans account is create the branding assets. Now, the branding assets are display picture, banner image, display name, and bio. Now, with the display picture, it needs to be eye-catching, clear, and niche focused. So, for example, if your model's in the fitness niche, you need to make sure it's a picture of the model in the actual fitness attire. You need to make sure that the display picture is congruent with the model's niche. And as well as that, it needs to be a nice, clear photo, and it needs to be eye-catching. So it needs to, highlight the model's best features. Next, we have the banner image. The banner image needs to be professional. You need to feature the social media handles on the banner image as well, and it also again needs to be niche focused. So again, if we're in the fitness niche for the creating a fitness OnlyFans account, then it needs to represent fitness in some sort of way. Now you can use a software like Canva to create the banner image very easily. You just get a few photos of the model, use the banner templates, and you can create a nice professional looking banner image. Next, we have the display name. So the display name needs to be easy to remember, niche focused, and curiosity. Easy to remember, so if people hear about it, maybe they'll come back and find out more about it. If it's not easy to remember, people aren't going to be able to go back to find it because they're going to be having to think about it too much. And if people have to think about it too much, it's just going to fall out of their mind. And again, it needs to be niche focused. So it could be like a fitness bunny, for example, could be a display name. It needs to be around your niche again, and then curiosity invoking. So try and add an element of curiosity in terms of, I wonder what the type of content the fitness bunny is creating, stuff around that. Next, we have the bio. So the bio needs to be curiosity converting. So when people read it, they get a little bit curious in terms of what is behind that subscription paywall. It needs to be flirtatious, so it gets them in that excited mood that they need to be in order to subscribe to an OnlyFans account. And it needs to be inviting. So the OnlyFans account is a community. There's a community within there. You need to make sure that it's a very inviting bio, so you're inviting them into your community. And then finally, you need to link socials. So you need to link your Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, any other socials that you got. You need a few socials to link because that's going to add, that's going to actually make your OnlyFans account look a little bit more, sophisticated, well-built, and professional. Next, we have set pricing. So two pricing you need to set: subscription pricing and then the bundle pricing. Now, subscription pricing is based on the model's niche. So if the model's in the luxury niche, you're going to be charging a higher subscription price, as opposed to a model who's the girl next door. You're going to be charging a lower subscription price. Now, I recommend anywhere from $4 to $11 a month. Anything more than that, you're going to be experiencing a churn-off rate in terms of those who stay subscribed to the account, and as well as that, less people are going to be subscribing initially to see that model's content. So you're going to be getting less people within the OnlyFans community in order to sell them, and ultimately, you're not making the majority of your money from subscription, or you shouldn't be anyway. So that's why we focus on having a low subscription price so we can do back-end sales once they join the community. Now, in terms of bundle pricing, we've tried and tested lots of different bundle pricing, and this we found performs top across all of the model accounts that we manage. So 30% off for 3 months, 40% off for 6 months, and 50% off for 1 year. Next, we have to set the welcome message. So the welcome message is a setting that you can adjust within OnlyFans. So when people subscribe, they get an instant message from the model. Now, you want to start selling in this welcome message, and you also want to make sure that you're inviting it and you're making it very clear where they can contact you. So we send them this message. Hey babe, thank you so much for subscribing to me. My promise is to make you the happiest person alive. And this page will provide exactly that. Again, we're giving them good emotions and we're making, reinforcing their decision. As a welcome gift, I've attached a super exclusive welcome video at half price. So we send a short little video along with this pay-per-view message, and we say it's at half price so we can start generating sales instantly. Now, but like all my PPV content, it's only going to be available for 12 hours. So if you don't buy it now, you'll miss out on it forever. So with, giving them a half price deal, we've given them the urgency and the scarcity behind the content. So it's good, powerful sales mechanisms in order to, or sales psychology in order to get more sales for your pay-per-view messages. And then we say, I would love to get you know personally. So again, we're asking a little bit more about them. So tell me about yourself, what you do, your dreams, etc. My lips are sealed. You can share absolutely anything with me and I won't tell a soul. Again, we're highlighting that this is a place where they can really let go and they can explore the deepest fantasies. And also, I love accepting special requests. So let me know if you want me to make something special. So also hinting that we can do custom requests, which of course we're going to generate lots of money from doing custom requested content and making that for the subscribers who are joining. So a really solid welcome message. We cover lots of different elements. We invite them into the community. We make them feel welcome. We're selling content already and we're using a few different sales psychology tactics to do that. And we're also, insinuating that they can explore the deepest fantasies. They can ask for custom content. So we're leading on that sales ladder. Now, after we've got this set welcome message, we're then going to upload 15 photos. So you need 15 photos to upload to your model's OnlyFans account. You should not be doing any promotion, any sales, unless you got 15 photos uploaded. So if you are working with a brand new creator, you need to ask for 15 bits of content initially to upload to the model's OnlyFans, because when people click on the OnlyFans, before they subscribe, they can see the amount of content that's been uploaded. If they see that the content is less than 15, they're not really going to be thinking that there's a good community behind it. They're not going to be thinking that the model's consistent, and it's going to scare away them from purchasing that subscription. So by having at least 15 photos, we can start seeing them conversions of people viewing the OnlyFans to subscribing. So 15 photos, they can be any type of photo. They just need to be a little bit flirtatious, a little bit sexy from the model. Next, we have set up tracking links. So on OnlyFans, in the settings, you can set tracking links. And tracking links is vital foundation for your OnlyFans account, because we can then see how all the socials are performing, what promotional channels are performing best for the model, what promotional channels we need to focus on more, what promotional channels we need to focus on less, etc. So we set up the tracking links. We have tracking links for the model's Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. So when we do start promotion, we can see, okay, the majority of our traffic is coming from TikTok. Let's scale the TikTok traffic a little bit more. We can do a little bit more with that channel. So it's just a really good foundation for your account in terms of figuring out where subscribers are coming from. And this is the foundation that you cannot miss. Next, the OnlyFans account set up for success. So these are the foundations that you need in order to set up an OnlyFans account, which can be performing ridiculously well. For example, this account performing ludicrously well, making over 80K a month, and has made over $1 million in less than a year. So ridiculous returns from some of the accounts that we're managing for our models, and they all stem from these foundations in place. So to set up a 100K OnlyFans account, you need to go through these steps. Don't skip them. Execute them as I've said and laid out within this video, and you'll see success within your model's OnlyFans account. So I hope this was value to you. If it was, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and I'll speak to you guys in the next video.